This past weekend, 800 youth sports teams quietly held tournaments across the valley. Adam Waltz takes a look at how sports leagues were able to get around Governor Ducey's executive order.
There are many key pieces to a pitcher's strategy in hopes to get the batter out. The at-bat of large tournaments held despite a worsening pandemic dates back to early fall when Phoenix and Glendale City Councils approved the opening of recreational parks, Phoenix doing so unanimously.
It comes at a time that Dr. Anthony Fauci has encouraged Americans to spend more time outdoors. So I think it is a responsible decision, and I look forward to supporting the motion.
Now with COVID surging, who made the call allowing hundreds of young players to take the field this weekend?
It did get scheduled, you're right, before this latest increase in numbers.
That would be individual parks and recreation departments who oversee tournament directors' safety plans, making sure they align with CDC guidelines.
And tell them if they want to use our facilities, they're responsible for meeting those guidelines and keeping their tournament operational under the conditions.
At Thunderbird Paseo Park in Glendale, park rangers were on site to ensure safety. It mainly falls on the organization renting the fields to enforce health safety measures. Governor Doug Ducey's executive order prohibits gatherings of 50 or more people, so the city can approve these tournaments by making sure it's only 50 people to a field.
Not a single participant, whether it be a player, a coach, a spectator, an umpire, my staff, myself, has contracted the COVID-19. We've not tested positive.
Bobby Pena has been hosting tournaments since early June, saying he personally ensures things are clean.
You're probably going to sanitize in the morning, the dugouts, but I had my own sanitizing solution, and I went ahead and sprayed all the dugouts down before I went home.
Allowing club sports organizations to rent the fields may never even make the mayor's desk. However, Mayor Kate Gallego's office telling ABC 15 that she shares the concerns of health officials and the public about the possible health risk of these tournaments. As long as health guidelines are met or until action from above says otherwise, tournaments are still being played. Adam Waltz, ABC 15, Arizona.